Are you in real estate? GoHighLevel can automate your entire business from leads to closings. Here's how. First, build landing pages with property valuation, forms, or buyer interest surveys. Every lead goes straight into your CRM. Set up workflows to instantly text or email new leads. Automated reminders keep buyers engaged and sellers confident. Organize prospect and pipelines, from new lead to scheduled showing to closed deal. This helps you track progress at a glance. Embed a booking calendar so clients can schedule property tours or consultations without back and forth. Even after a deal closes, automate long-term nurture campaigns to win repeat businesses and referrals. And that's how you use GoHighLevel for real estate automation. More leads, less manual work, and faster closings. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.